Today, the spotlight is on SC Johnson Professional, which manufactures the innovative product called EasyCare. It's an entry in the ISSA Innovation Award program, and it can be viewed right now on the ISSA Show website. With me today is Mike Flagg. He's with SC Johnson Professional. He's going to talk to us about this product and why it's innovative. So Mike, tell us all about EasyCare.
Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it. We're excited to launch our EasyCare floor care system at the ISSA show. This continues SC Johnson Professional's history of developing innovations that help provide clean and hygienic environments for users away from home. The EasyCare system is our latest product innovation and a silver medal winner in the 2021 Edison Awards. EasyCare is a fast, economical way to maintain flooring that was developed with the user in mind. The system includes two chemistries, a floor coating and a floor coating remover, which when used along with our proprietary high-speed conditioning and polish pad will deliver a long-lasting, durable shine with only 4 coats of finish. One of the breakthrough technologies with this system is the patent-pending floor coating remover that can be used with an auto scrubber. This is a clear distinction from other floor care systems on the market. The use of an auto scrubber helps save time and labor costs, as well as increases user safety from potential slips and falls compared to conventional floor stripping using a mop and bucket. Traditional floor care systems are time consuming and require corrosive stripping chemicals to remove the old finish, which is done manually with a mop and bucket. EasyCare changes this process by eliminating stripping with conventional chemicals once the system's installed. EasyCare is proven to increase floor crew productivity and reduce labor costs by reducing time-consuming maintenance steps. Using our proprietary heavy-duty scrub pad, along with our SC Johnson Professional heavy-duty neutral floor cleaner, can help reduce the need for daily burnishing. Beginning with a bare floor, the system requires a maximum of only 4 coats of the EasyCare floor coating to achieve a high-gloss finish shine. When it's time to refinish the floor, EasyCare floor coating remover will liquefy the EasyCare floor coating for removal of up to 4 coats in one pass using an auto scrubber, making the process more efficient and eliminating the need for conventional stripping and exposure to corrosive stripping chemicals. To learn more about EasyCare system, check out the innovation section of our website, scjp.com, under what's new. We'll also be at the November ISSA show in Las Vegas, so please stop by our booth to talk with our team or learn more ahead of the show at our virtual ISSA exhibit.